Significant changes to Canada's Family Open Work Permit are set to take effect on January 21st, 2025, which will implement greater restrictions on work permits for family members of international students and foreign workers. Hi everyone, I am Karan from Immigration Services. We help people immigrate to Canada, and we also help students change courses that will help them bring their spouses to Canada on work permits. So if you need our help, don't hesitate to reach out to us on the number given in description, or you can click the link. It will take you to our WhatsApp group where you can ask us questions. Effective January 21st, 2025, IRC will be restricting family OWPs to spouses or common law partners of students enrolled in specific academic programs. For international students, these will include master's programs that are 16 months or longer in duration, doctoral programs, and select professional programs such as Doctor of Dental Surgery, Bachelor of Law, Doctor of Medicine, and other specialized degrees. For foreign workers, family open work permits will be limited to spouses or common law partners of those working in Tier 0 and Tier 1 occupations, along with select Tier 2 or 3 occupations in critical sectors like natural and applied sciences, construction, healthcare, natural resources, education, sports, and military fields. An important requirement is that the foreign worker must have at least 16 months remaining validity on their work permit when their spouse applies. These changes will significantly impact our immigration landscape, with projections indicating a reduction of 50,000 to 160,000 fewer permits issued over the next 3 years. However, certain groups remain unaffected: spouses and common law partners of workers covered by free trade agreements, and those being sponsored for permanent residents who already possess legal temporary status in Canada. Another significant change is that dependent children of foreign workers will no longer be eligible for family OWPs. However, OWPs for family members that were issued under previous measures and have not yet expired will continue to remain valid. These restrictions are part of a comprehensive strategy announced in September 2024, designed to address housing supply and affordability concerns. IRC also made provisions for situations where a spouse may have been given a shorter work permit than the sponsoring study or work permit holder under a previous family open work permit policy. In such cases, in Canada, family members, including spouses and dependent children, can apply to renew their work permit as long as the requested duration of the renewal matches the duration of the existing study or work permit of the sponsoring permit holder. It's important to understand that these changes are aimed specifically at reducing the number of temporary residents in the country to better deal with housing supply and affordability concerns. As part of this wider initiative, IRCC has implemented targets for work permit holder landings under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program and the International Mobility Program in the country's annual immigration levels plan. Government has brought in these measures to align with its annual immigration levels plan, which includes specific targets for work permit holders under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program and the International Mobility Program. As part of this wider initiative, IRCC has implemented targets for work permit holder landings under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program and the International Mobility Program in the country's annual immigration levels plan. Government has brought in these measures to align with its annual immigration levels plan, which includes specific targets for work permit holders under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program and the International Mobility Program. Also ensure policies adapt to the evolving needs of our country. These changes represent government's dedication to maintaining a responsive, sustainable immigration framework that benefits all Canadians. Thank you for your attention, and if you need any help regarding your open work permit application, don't hesitate to reach out to us.